Well, hello my friends. I've had a bit of a stressful time. I've washed some doormats and floor mats, but they're the washable ones. And anyway, they did something to my washing machine and it kept flashing OE. So I ignored it and put it on a tub clean. Well, I took the mats out first. They were dripping wet still. So I put the machine on a tub clean, took the mats out, put them outside, sat absolutely dripping. And then the machine stopped and started saying OE. So I looked in the book and it said that the filter's blocked. Check out this video. So I thought it was a good opportunity to have a look at the filter. You see the water in the drum? That'll be what? Oh, it's a freaking cable tie. Oh, Jesus. So this is why the washing machine... Oh. Do you know what that is, folks? That is a colour catcher. Jesus Christ. We've only had this washing machine since September. Right. So that was in the filter. So we're going to make sure that this is back fully. I'm going to pop that back in there. Make sure that's as tight as I can go. Gonna wipe this here. I can't believe that was in there. That's bad. I don't want that going in there, man. So I'm gonna put it on. I'll put it on tub clean again. That's because that's what I was doing before. And hopefully that'll be the end of it.